So let's see here. I'm already registered. So is there a login there somewhere? Nothing came in the chat. Chat's up. You're in Teams, huh?
Yeah.
It's in the Zoom chat.
Oh, in the Zoom chat. Sorry.
Oh yeah. I have Swedish fish. Swedish fish. That should be a ad. A plug for Swedish fish. And I also have a Sprite. Coca-Cola products. I'm gonna let my Swedish fish swim in my Sprite.
Yeah.
He said it. Ugh.
The requested URL is not found on this server.
What?
The requested URL is not found on this server. When I tried to go to that attend CES.tech.
What was all that? Oh. Okay. Okay, here you go. Oops.
Okay.
CES.net.
Oh, there we go. Cool.
Okie dokie.
Do I need
So,
to sign in?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm signed in.
Mm,
I guess I was already signed in. It just didn't say hello Jamal like it usually does. Actually, no, it's not. I got to go to that other page. All right.
okay. So I'm signed in now. And there's nothing in my agenda.
Right.
So I tried to download the app and it said it was the CES 2019 app.
Right.
I had uninstalled that because I thought it was going to change.
Mm-hmm.
But the only app that I see in the App Store when I search, even when I search for CES 2020, I still just see CES 2019. So let's see what happens when we click on the link here to download the app.
Okay.
Put CES in the hollow of your hand, blah, 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 full yada, 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 yada. Yeah, I know all that.
Took me to some weird page. I mean, not weird, but took me to a whole different page.
It doesn't have any links to download it or anything. So I assume you would just get the CES app. Maybe they're not done with it yet.
Yeah, it looks like it, huh?
Oh, so let's not worry about that yet.
Okay.
Wait, why does it have a register button? I'm already registered.
Yeah, it's a little wonky. Like it says, hey, Jamal, and then it says register.
Right? Okay, weird. I went to register, and then I logged in again,
And now I'm on the registration dashboard. My credentials are already approved. My photo ID is already approved. Do I want upgrades and add-ons? Do I want to add conferences?
Hey, my credentials got approved. All right.
Nice.
That was quick.
All right, so the only other thing besides the credentials is, wait, how do I get back? How about just back? Is the photo ID. Is your photo ID approved? Are you still there, or are you frozen? You look frozen. I don't know if that's showing up on the recording on Zoom, but either Jamal is in a different time dimension or his internet connection went down.
Hello?
Oh, there you are. You're back. Your video is still frozen though. Stop your video and then turn your video back on again. Oh, we lost him. Yeah, there he is. He's back. And he's back.
There we go.
Hey, where'd my me go?
The photos approved, credentials approved, ready to go.
Oh, nice. Photos approved too.
Now we just need to make our agenda.
Okay, so let's see here. Where is that?
Oh, God damn it. That's because I'm on your page.
Huh?
I'm looking at
Oh, you're looking at me, my shared screen?
Oh, but no, my shit's approved too. Okay, good.
All right, cool.
I just switched over and I was like, I was looking at mine. Okay, I'm just stoner. All right.
Okay, so we're all good there and there and there. All that stuff is good. All right, so where's the schedule? Show information. How about that?
Yeah, here's the schedule.
Dates and times. That's not what I want. I want the whole schedule.
Yeah.
Conference program. Oh, no sessions selected yet. Okay, there we go. What? Oh, okay. That's if you want to go to the sub conferences and stuff. There's like a bunch of sessions that you have to pay to get into, and
Gotcha.
the keynotes you can go to with our conference pass that we already have. But if you wanted to go to the deep dive sessions and get into the nitty gritty of Wi-Fi Max or some crazy shit, then you can pay $1,400 and go to all of them, or you can pay $700 and go to the ones that they picked for you. Like if you want to learn about 5G and mobility, because
Gotcha.
you work for a telco or something, or
Right.
you're start producing artificial intelligence applications and you want to go to the AI conference.
Yeah, your company will pay for it. Hey, are you going to start doing that in artificial intelligence programming?
No.
Are you ever going to make video games or anything?
No, I'm done programming. I don't have the patience for that shit anymore.
Gotcha.
I do design work and let somebody else do the code monkey work now. Here, go build this. I'm going to be over here at the bar.
Are you ever going to work in either of those sectors?
Maybe a little AI. You can't really get away from that now.
Seems like it's important. Like AI and blockchain seem like they're going to be really important over the next couple decades.
Here we go. So, advancing innovation through trust. I'm good. Storytellers, no. Connect a car. See, some of these, they might get me. I might want to pay for some of this shit.
Connect the
Digital
car.
Hollywood, digital money. That's going to be some blockchain shit right there.
Cool.
Disruptive innovations in healthcare, drone operations and innovation.
Damn, it's all interesting. Like every single thing is fucking dope.
But we like free, free,
Exactly. Yep.
and free. Watch, all of those are going to be at the same time. So you should be doing this on yours too.
Isn't there a shitload more though?
Huh? No, that's almost the end.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I mean there's subtracks in here, I'm sure, or maybe not. There you go. So the future of work. Like we probably won't go to all of those.
Right.
But retaining talent in a tight labor market, growth of apprenticeships for new collar jobs instead of blue collar, new collar. So you hired a millennial. Yeah, so we probably won't go. And then there's the gaming and esports. I bet that has some subsessions. Yeah, here you go. Esports and technology and innovation, game changer. I went to a session like this last year, and it was pretty interesting. Some of the stuff they were talking about with data capture in real sports and how they use that in video games and stuff.
Right.
The future of fan engagement. I bet there's going to be some excuse me. I bet there's going to be some voting discussions there. You know,
Wow.
that actually might be interesting. I don't think I want to go to all of this shit, but
Right.
The future of fan engagement, that might be interesting. Engaging with esports and gaming, cloud-based gaming gains traction. I don't care about that one, I don't think. And what's next with data in esports? Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, so I got Entertainment Summit and gaming and esports. What else do I need to check off?
Entertainment Summit, future of work. I just did all the free ones that were right there. Entertainment,
okay. Cool.
future of work, gaming and esports, and then the next one is a buy. And I might decide to buy some of these later on, but I doubt it.
Gotcha.
Innovation for all. Let's see what's in there. Implementing diversity from the top. Product inclusion, contributing to the bottom, investing in diversity, beyond capital, faces of innovation, culture shifting, hiring differently. I don't think I want to do any of that shit. Innovation policy. Tech is ready for our 5G future. That might be interesting. What time is that? That's at from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock on the 7th. Oh, so we're going backwards. Let's add that one.
What, in the future?
Innovation policy.
Or you're in a subcategory, right?
No, innovation policy is the top category.
Oh, innovation policy. Got it. Okay, cool.
Kids and family. Fuck them kids. Here's the best of baby tech. What tech fluid kids really want. Mixing up realities, voice, AR, and VR and social media. That actually might be good. That's
social media. We need that. We need to go to that.
That's 10:40 at 10:45 on the 9th. So that's the section I thought I was going to skip over. Kids Play Family Tech Summit. Kids at Play. It's 2 down from innovation policy.
Oh, okay. Kids at Play. Gotcha.
Marketing reinvented.
Okay.
Yeah, elevating storytelling during the content wars, the rise of immersive technologies, and the future of data privacy regulation. All that shit is stuff that we need to know.
That's in Marketing Reinvented?
Yep.
Oh, shit. That's the shit right there. That's probably our priority. So
Yeah.
that way we'll be ahead of the curve and we can jump on the trends of the future before they're saturated. And that's where the success comes, before we beat everybody to it.
First mover.
Yep.
Research Summit. What's this? CES 2020 trends to watch. Oh, this is the kickoff day. Building a smart city of the future. Value creation in the age of personalization. Connecting the dots for mobility solutions. Oh, this is all good shit. Gen Z, boomers, small tech at home and in the car. Electrified, sustainable. I like all of this stuff.
I know, huh? Too bad we can't go to every single one.
Actually, we could, but there's probably going to be other shit that we want to do that conflicts because this is all in the same place at the convention center in the North Hall. So let's add the Research Summit. Resilience, what's that about? Keeping supply chains resilient, don't care. Natural disaster recovery, don't care. Disrupting climate change, kind of care.
Oh, shit. First come, first served basis. What does that mean?
That means it's standing room only if you don't get there in time.
Okay, so that's good. That's what I was hoping. We don't have to sign up ahead of time or some shit.
You know, there's some interesting stuff in this one. I don't give a shit about the first three. Connectivity during disasters could be interesting. I don't think I want to sit through a whole hour of that, but let's add this one anyway. Resilience.
Okay. I think I did. Hold on.
I would like to see robots for good, but I don't want to pay $400 for it.
Nah. Robots for good. Holy shit, that sounds awesome.
Robots saving the oceans, robots preserve the land, improving human lives, robots saving lives, robots in space and beyond. I want to see all that shit.
It is all going down, man.
Oh, smart cities. We like smart cities. I didn't even look in this category. I just added it.
I just added everything.
Yeah, you know what? That we're probably just gonna. I mean, we're gonna. Obviously, we won't be able to do all of it because a lot of it happens at the same time. So.
But now that it's saved, we can pick and choose the dope shit.
So next time we do this, we'll yeah, that's a good point. So let's just go ahead and add all the free shit, and we'll sort it out.
That's what I did. Yeah.
But do we really care about sports betting? Oh, excuse me. My burps taste like salad.
I don't think so.
The state of sport analytics. Actually, I think that's the thing I went to last year. The state of sport analytics, and that shit was interesting.
But see, and that's the thing, man. That could be a moneymaker that we're unaware of. That could be some passive income.
People are curious about their fantasy football leagues and shit.
For real.
All that is based on the actual stats, and they figure a better way to track the stats or to get the stats, or there's some way you can pull them out faster before everybody else.
Yeah.
Or integrate it right into your fantasy football app or whatever. Anyways, okay, we're adding that too then.
Holy shit. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Fantasy football is played in apps now. I mean, I'm sure it has been for a decade, but I just never even considered Jesus Christ, dude. Fantasy football is like huge.
Yeah, dude. I'm sure there's an opportunity there.
Did you know that you know how they have the video game championships where people fight Tekken and stuff?
Yeah.
Did you know that it's bigger than the World Series?
Not bigger than the Super Bowl yet, huh?
Not yet, but it's early. It's gonna surpass the Super Bowl. It's just a matter of time.
All right, did you save your changes?
Yeah.
Please note all conference seating will be on a first come, first served basis, Jack.
Yeah, man, I'd be watching those Tekken matches. It is so entertaining because we played and we were hardcore, you can see the strategies and you're like, it's like watching a basketball game.
Damn. You see this shit? I acknowledge the below information is correct and will appear on my badge. Replacement badges are $300.
I did see that. Yeah, they're not fucking around.
Wow.
They're like, we know y'all got company money. Your companies are paying for this. We're charging.
I think I'm going to want to go back and add some more shit later, but I'm going to say finish. So I
We'll
guess.
be able to add it later if we say finish, right?
Yeah, you can add stuff later. So I guess maybe they aren't done with the app yet.
Right.
And unless it's just going to be the same app as last year, but then they shouldn't have called it CES 2019. But
Right.
I'm guessing when they're done with the app, when we download the app and log in, all of our shit will just show up.
Yep.
So there's that, but I think there should be some other piece, like upgrades and add-ons. Maybe they don't have the map yet. Show floor tours and briefings, additional industry resources, trend reports. Yeah, I guess there's no map yet.
So do they give you your badge when you get there?
Yeah. So that's why it was so important to make sure that that we got the ID and stuff in. I mean, if you don't have that, you can still do it when you get there.
Right.
But then you have to wait in this freaking line.
Right.
And I don't know if you saw the pictures I posted of that last year. I was waiting in that line for a good hour.
Oh shit! Really?
Yeah.
Oh
So we
shit!
want to do that. So as long as your ID is approved already, then you can just go straight to the short line that's like right in front of the front door, and you
Right.
show them your ID and they give you your badge. They print your badge out. But if your picture isn't already in there, then you have to go over, wait in the line. They take your picture or whatever, and then they print your badge out.
Oh, okay.
The pain in the arse.
The benefit of experience.
Yeah. So I mean,
hey, yeah.
huh?
Jason's gonna be there. We should link up with Jason.
Oh, he's gonna be there too.
Yeah, I'm sure
Yeah.
everybody's gonna be there. All your friends are gonna be there. You should start networking and fucking we'll figure it out.
Yeah. Last year I was just like at the last minute. I was just like, fuck it, I'm going.
Oh, okay.
So that's why my ID and my all that other crap wasn't in there yet, because I registered
Gotcha.
like a week before or something.
Is Sebastian gonna be there?
I don't think so. I told him last year he should go.
Yeah, seems like something he would be at.
Not really. I mean, it's not a security conference. It's more of a manufacturer and what do they call them? Makers and importers. You know, it's
So
basically
Owen's not gonna be there either then.
people making the dope new products are going to be there, and people that are trying to get their hustle on and
Hey man,
import those products and sell those products.
when we're done here, all right? All right, peace.
A lot of the stuff that I saw there before was stuff that you could order 1,000 of them from some little factory in China and then sell them on eBay or something.
What? Really?
I mean, like if Bluetooth speakers weren't saturated yet, that's the type of thing you see at CES 10 years ago. And you're like, I'm going to order 1,000 of those and start selling those at my 7-Eleven or whatever. Or,
Holy
whatever.
shit. Oh, wow.
They had the curve
Well,
selling them for like $200 each when they're getting them for $10.
damn.
But anyway, that's what you do in between these sessions. So we don't even want to go to all these sessions, because if you go to all the sessions and you don't have any time to walk around the conference floor.
Exactly.
And on the conference floor is where all the gadgets and stuff are. I mean, the people that have really cool stuff will probably do a session that we could go to and see it. But just walking around little Shenzhen is the little back area where all the Chinese manufacturers are. You just walk around in there and see all kinds of crazy stuff you never seen before.
So yeah, so we'll want to space them out accordingly then, huh?
Yeah, so I mean, we pick all the ones that we really want to go to, and then in between those ones, you go wander around the whatchamacallit, you go walk around the conference floor, or you get
Yeah,
get
we have to. 'Cause we're gonna have to get people to come to the party.
Yes, sir. Anyway, so
Invite people to parties while people are trying to speak.
so we got a halfway decent CES plan for now. Once the what do you call it, the conference floor map comes out, we'll be able to figure out what exhibits we want to see and where the cool booths are. Like, you know, there's certain, if you want to see like GoPro and DJI, the guys that make the drones, and the Waymo booth where they're doing their self-driving cars and all that kind of stuff.
Well, thanks for the hookup, dude. This is terribly exciting. This is going to be so fun.
Yeah, so we are going to stop recording now.
Word.
And I will